Welcome to EliteApps Discoveries, and don't forget to subscribe. Hey everyone, today, we're diving into the world of outdoor adventures with a review of the Hipcamp app. If you're a camping enthusiast or just someone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, this app might be exactly what you need. So, let's get started. First off, what is Hipcamp? For those of you who might not be familiar, Hipcamp is a platform that connects campers with unique camping sites across the country. Whether you're into pitching a tent, glamping, RV camping, or even staying in a cozy cabin, Hipcamp has something for everyone. When you first open the app, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. Right at the top, you'll find the search bar where you can enter your destination, the dates of your trip, and the number of guests. Below that, Hipcamp offers some inspiration with categories like beach camping, mountain views, and pet-friendly spots. Let's say we're planning a trip to the California coast. I'll type in California and set my dates. Instantly, Hipcamp provides a list of available sites. You can see beautiful thumbnails, basic details, and the nightly rate right from this screen. What I love about Hipcamp is the variety. You can find everything from remote, off-the-grid spots to luxurious glamping setups. One of the standout features is the filtering system. You can narrow down your search by site type, amenities, activities, and more. Want a campsite with a hot tub? Or maybe you need a spot that's RV friendly? Just use the filters, and Hipcamp does the rest. Now, let's take a closer look at a specific campsite. When you tap on a listing, you get a wealth of information. High-quality photos, detailed descriptions, lists of amenities, and even reviews from other campers. This level of detail really helps in making an informed decision. Plus, many listings include information about the host, which adds a personal touch to your camping experience. Booking a site is straightforward. Select your dates, review the total cost, and hit the Request to Book button. You can also send a message to the host if you have any specific questions or needs. It's as simple as that. So, what makes Hipcamp stand out from other camping apps? For me, it's the sheer diversity of options and the ease of use. Whether you're an experienced camper or just starting out, Hipcamp makes finding and booking the perfect site hassle-free. It's also a great way to discover unique, privately owned land that you wouldn't normally have access to. Another great feature is the map view. You can see all available sites on a map, which is super helpful if you're planning a road trip and want to make multiple stops along the way. Just zoom in and out to explore different areas and find the perfect spots for your journey. Overall, I highly recommend giving Hipcamp a try for your next outdoor adventure. It's user-friendly, offers a wide range of options, and makes the whole process of planning a camping trip enjoyable and stress-free. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to EliteApps Discoveries for more interesting apps reviews. Have you used Hipcamp before? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy camping!